Back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So today we have to continue with this space creation. For the ground floor there are some spaces still not completed, so we have to finish that one and then we will go for the next second floor. So let me open this HAP software. Before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification of that video. So this is your app software, and you can see here we have created so many spaces for the first floor, ground floor. So you can see here we have created intelligence toilet 1. Just toilet on. Okay, so we have to continue with this storage room, pantries areas, and then telecom room, electrical room. So let us start now here. Start from the pantry. So duplicate this and just rename this pantry, ground floor, pantry. And you can see the pantry is here. The pantry width is 3.2 and length is 2.9. So area will be 2.9, 3.2. So just calculate the area, which is 2.9 meter by 3.2 meter, 9.28 square meter. So 9.28 square meter, and the height is 4 meter, and this is pantry. So negative pressure is required. So do not touch this outdoor air ventilation because we have to put the fan. So do not touch this and go to the internal. So in the internals, you do not put here the number of people as well. So no need this one, and this lighting load and equipment load will be same, and this is just for the kitchen, so leave as it is. And here is the wall, so you can see this is the north wall and the exposure is a north wall and GL2 windows. So select the exposure here north, and width of the wall is 3.2 meters. So it 3.2 into height is 4 meters, so it will be 12.8 meter. 12.8 square meter, and there is one window, so enter the quantity of window, and the number of windows is GL2. So let us select here GL2, and this will be none. And then go to the roof and skylight. So roof and skylight is the roof area is same as the floor area, so 9.3. Just copy this and go here, select the horizontal roof and paste it here. Okay, and this is your exposure roof, so select the exposed roof. Okay, and then infiltration and floor area. So the floor area is 9.3. Okay, here is 9.3, and slab floor on grade. Okay, it will be 9.3 floor area. And then partition, so I think there is no partition here, and there is partition. This much is the partition because this area for the toilet is only condition and this is unconditioned. So 1.8 is the wall partition here, so 1.8 by 4, 1.8 by 4, which will be 7.2, 7.2 wall partition, and then click OK. Now next is your store room. So this is the store room. So just duplicate this pantry and rename this, which will be here storeroom. And the area for this storeroom is here. You can see the DLI. Just check the area. You can 2.9 here, 2.9 by 1.8. So 2.9 meter by 1.8 meter, which will be 5.22 square meter. 5.22 square meter, and height is 4 meter. And then go to the internals. So in the internals, everything will be same number of people. There is no people in the storeroom with a wall and windows door. There is no exposed wall. So leave as it is. Here is not used, and then also this one is not used. So make it none, and then roof and skylight. So roof and skylight is 5.2 square meter here. So 5.2 square meter. Then floor is on the grade, and it is 5.2, and there is no partition here. So this make it 0 and click OK. So we have finished this, and then we have to move to this telecom room. Okay, so telecom room is this one. So just duplicate this storeroom or pantry. Duplicate this and this rename the, which is telecom room. Okay, and area is 4.2 by 5.8. So 4.2 by 5.8, which will be 24.36 square meters. So 24.36 square meter, and height is 4 meter. And outdoor air is, you can see here, there is no outdoor air in this room. So leave as it is, because this is just for the telecom room. So we will not provide the fresh air in this room. And then the electrical room. So here is your internal. So number of people is 0, because in this room there will be no people here. And then wall exposure is north. So you can see here GL6 and AD1. There is two, one is door, one is window. So and this wall, the width of the wall is 4.2. So you just calculate the area, which is 4.2 by 4 meter, 16.8 square meter gross area. And there is one windows and one door. So just put it here. Windows is GL6. So just select here GL6. Okay, and one door, which is AD1. Okay, already created the schedule AD1. The schedule I have already created here. So AD1. Okay, and then roof and skylight. So roof and skylight horizontal roof and 24.4 square meter. So 24.4. Infiltration is nothing. Floor is on the grade, on the ground floor. So 24.4 square meter is here also. 24.4. And there is no partition. Click OK. Make it 0. This one. This is 0. Okay. Click OK. Now the next is electrical room. So just calculate this also. So duplicate this telecom room and make it electrical room. So electrical room, and the area is 3.1 by 5.8. So just calculate the area. 3.1 by 5.8, which will be 17.98 square meter, and height is same. And also this is the electrical room, so there is no fresh air here. And internal is everything will be same. Number of people is 0. Then wall and windows is not exposure, which will be 3.1. Okay, width of exposed wall, and height is 4 meters. So 12.4 square meter. And you can see here there is only one door here, no window. So ALD1. So windows is 0 and door is 1, which is ALD1 FED. Here is FED. So we have to create ALD1. Okay, this door we have to create. this is none, and this is you have to create the new door, which is ALD1. ALD1 gross area you can see here 2.4 by, and the height you can check it from this elevation drawing.